Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the clone tool in Adobe Lightroom. You will find the clone tool located on under Develop on your right hand side toolbar. It is a circle with a little arrow attached. You'll click on that tool and then you will want to adjust your size for what you want to clone. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to remove this marker on his hand. So I will start first by just doing a simple circle stamp and then finding another piece of skin that matches. Now you can also draw with the tool to create the shape that you want cloned out. And then once again, you'll find a piece of skin that you want to match over. You can also use this stamp to remove logos, to even out wrinkles, remove blemishes. I've even used it to remove gray hair. So it's a useful tool to know if you are using Adobe Lightroom. Hope you gain some knowledge from this quick tutorial.